I'm Danny. I'm from the States. I graduated from the University of Oregon last year with a degree in marine biology. I interned at Oceans Research in 2016, September 2016, and then I'm now back here as a field specialist running the plastic trawl project. Once we've collected the trawls, we'll bring it back here. We let the plastics in it dry overnight. We'll sift them out and let it dry overnight. That way it's just easier to sort through and the weighting is more accurate because water adds weight to it. And then the next, at least 24 hours later, 24 hours is kind of the minimum that we're going for. We sort out all the plastic. Starting out with just the naked eye, we kind of look and we have two different piles, like this is for sure plastic, this might be plastic, we need to look in the microscope later, and then this is just organic matter that we don't need and we just set that aside. So once we've got our different categories, we take the plastic that we're unsure of, we look in the microscope and we try to determine if it actually is plastic. We also try and then, once we've determined everything is plastic, we'll put it into different categories. We have like fishing line as a category, foam, just fragments of plastic as different categories, and then we weigh each different category. At the end, we weigh all of the plastic all together, and then we just use a simple like surface area calculation to get an average of the amount of plastic using the distance from the trawls that's floating in Mossel Bay. For it to be considered microplastic, it's less than 5 millimeters. So depending on the color of it, you can see it. It's hard to see them floating in the ocean just because of the ocean's color, but looking through a microscope you can see them. Or sometimes on beaches you can find these like tiny little nurdle things and you can see those with the naked eye. But just floating in the water, it's a little more difficult to see. They then will go into our EcoBricks project. So Sopu is running that. So once we're done, if an EcoBrick project is currently going on, like that's the shift that's happening, we'll just give it straight to them. If not, we'll put it down where the rest of the EcoBrick stuff goes and it'll go into the EcoBricks.
Hey, my name is Michaela. I am from PE and I study nature conservation in the Nelson Mandela University in George campus.
Okay, so basically you have to clean your trash, you have to dry your trash, and then you have to put it in a bottle. So it can be any type of bottle depending on what you plan to build at a later stage. With us, because we are planning to build something big, we have used 2 liters. So 2 liters, our EcoBrick have to weigh about 500 to 600 grams. So yeah, so you pack your trash and stuff it in, but the only things that you can actually put inside there, it's plastic, styrofoam, straws, batteries, but you cannot put any biodegradable things, you cannot put any papers, you cannot put natural stuff, natural resources, anything like that. The basic thing about the EcoBricks is the fact that it's things that cannot be recycled. So things that could end up going to the ocean or anything like that. So we're putting it in one place. There's now recently first house in here in Mossel Bay that has been built from EcoBricks. So we can see that the future is in the EcoBricks.
So I just asked Udada how long has he been waiting for the house to be built, and he says he's been waiting for a very, very long time. As you can see, the shack behind, it's falling already, and he's been staying in that condition for a very long time. So the fact that now he has the house, he's very, very happy. I just asked Udada which part of the house that he loves the most, and he just said he loves his whole house more than all the houses that are in the neighborhood because it's his house. So we asked Udada, did the people approach him or did he go to the people? Like, how did it happen that he was chosen for the house? And he told us that the people came to him and they built this house, and now they're also planning to build even 150 more houses on the other side of the location. So in this region, they came just specifically for him to build him the house.